Yun guys, good morning, good morning. Thank you Lord for another day, another grind. Welcome sa day 31 ng daily vlog natin. Guys, 1 month na tayo nagvo-vlog. So samahan nyo ako magtrabaho at mangarap. Let's go. So yun guys, what's up, what's up? Maraming nangyari ulit today. Ang pinaka-highlight is nag-R&D tayo para sa maging event natin this coming September 26. So with collaboration with Infra, tuloy na nga tayo guys. Ang name ng ating event is Redefining Nightlife with Sober and Infra. So meron pang tagline na malit doon, parang about sober curiosity and music fun. Kulit din ng mga pangalan na came up natin. Shout out kay Sir Ian. Sobrang lupit niyang gumawa ng drinks. Russian, pineapple rum. Meron din yung parang feels na butter beer. So lahat yun ilalagay sa beer mug. Tapos meron naman yung rum na baso para talaga yung feels. Para kang umiinom pero walang alcohol. So we want to redefine, we want to recreate yung fun ng tao, lalo na sa gabi. We want to, hindi ko alam kung mapopost to bago yung event pero we would like to invite you guys sa history making ng sober. First event natin yan if ever, and magiging social proof siya na it is possible. Yung dream na sa utak natin, sa heart natin, it is possible pag nangyari yun. So, tatrabahuin natin yon, kakausap tayo kasi word of mouth na. So, marami namang positive sa gagawin nating impact sa community natin. So, this is it for us for today guys. If you have a big dream, protect it, feed it, even just a little every day. Once again, my name is Nat and I'm sober. Cheers!